What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Bald back at it with another video, kind of a tool of some sort. The reason I'm making a video on this is because, for one, this is a very popular video that I have. I've made it, the original one, I made it over 5 years ago, I believe, and I still get questions on this thing. It's an item that you cannot find, and if you find it, you cannot find tape to it. And that's the Dyno. Sorry, I had a few Budweisers. But anyway, this is the Dymo 1570. So this is a classic labeler tool. It's rare because it's the original metal one where you press down here to stamp the letter and then you press that to cut it. You use this back and forth to roll the tape. Now, if you want to change the tape, all you do is lift that right there, which there's not much tape in there, and then you can change the tape. Here's some specs and cautions if anybody wants to see that. You can pause the video and look at that. That might help some people, and you can see the kind of inner workings. But yeah, so there it is. Let me shut that real quick, and before I carve something out, I want to talk about the tape because people always tell me they cannot find the tape. I am lucky enough to have found this steal of a deal many moons ago with some original tape. And not only do I have one tape, I have many tapes, 2 tapes, 3 tapes. Look at all the tapes I have. In my own lifetime, I'm not going to make this many labels, I don't think. So that's just the paper that's on it. Look at that. I have plenty of tape. You see how thick it is. I don't make that. This is more of a commodity item that I have. It just sits around. I don't use it as much as I used to. A thumbnail. But anyway, this is what I have. Look at all the tape I have. People would die. Well, I wouldn't say they would die for it, but yeah. For people that can't find tape, I wonder how much I could sell one of these rolls for, just so they can have in their collection. Without further ado, let's put it to the test. Most label makers these days are electronic. This one's not. It's the classic Dymo manual. Again, 1570, go look them up online. If you find one, you're probably going to pay over $100 just for the label maker. So, I am Mr. Bald. Let's put it on the M. It's real simple. M, R, and of course Bald. So what I want to do is press it down to give it a space, and then just go to the B. I love that click. Listen. B, A, L, D. And I don't have to press that hard. Press it out. Let's press it out again. I don't want it to mess up. And then you press this button right here to cut it. Cut it, blade still sharp. Well, I thought it was. Anyway, you pull it off right there. So there you have it. And then you see it says Mr. Bald, if that'll focus. It's about even. You see where that's at. And then of course this bends right here. That's where it stops because you're going to peel that. You're going to stick it. So I wonder where I'm going to stick this Mr. Bald label at. So the labeler still works just fine. The tape still adheres. It's adhesive. There's an old, this is what I did when I first got it. I think I have another one on there too. That's kind of lame, just putting Nate, huh? But look at that shine. This is and it's heavy. It's metal. It's the classic, you know, it's not that cheap, crappy stuff that they get out there today. It's the original label maker, Mr. Bald. Let's go for another thumbnail. But yeah, these are classics and it's very rare. And I'm only 37. You would think somebody in their 50s, 60s plus would be excited about this stuff. No, it's not just them. It's me too. I'm an old soul. I'm the only one in my 30s that wears overalls too. Go figure. Go look at that video, those videos, if that interests you. So anyway, just wanted to make an item or a video of an item I picked up many moons ago that's still very popular, and I challenge you, if you can find some tape for cheap. For these type of labelers, comment in the section below, because most people I talk to cannot find this old school tape anymore. It's all digital. I don't even think they make it anymore. I'm grateful enough, thankful enough to have this Rotex Superflex label tape. So, and if you do find it, it's probably going for a pretty penny. Prove me wrong. Anyway, just wanted to make a quick video on a classic item I've had for a while. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We will see you on the next vid. See ya.